tolerance on bearing seat 1 is within spec.
Confirmed. Bolt hole 5 needs rechecking.
Down slowly, we're almost seated. Check the tolerances now.
Clear on this side. Confirmed alignment.
Ensure the midspan contour is fully covered before proceeding. Over.
Roger that. Moving to the tip now.
Check the gauge at the flange.
Looks good. Pressure is holding steady.
Clear lift. Moving to station 3.
Confirmed. Trajectory looks good from the tip.
Roger that. Maintaining speed.
Continue descent. Easy now.
Alignment pins engaging. Clear on the west side.
Pressure looks good. We have a complete bond. Okay, testing the connection now.
Reading solid continuity.
Perfect, moving to the next pad. Hold it there, a little to the left. Okay, lowering now, watch your hands.
Hold position. Lower 3 centimeters. Adjust left slightly. Confirmed alignment.
The braking system is mounted to provide controlled stopping and emergency protection for the turbine.
The SCADA controller is fully initialized.
Excellent. Let's run the final diagnostics before the handover.
Channel 3, confirm tie downs on the yaw deck. We are clear for housing install.
Initiating yaw drive sequence.
Telemetry holding steady. All green on auxiliary.
Brake engagement confirmed. Factory acceptance complete.
Make sure the actuator pins are fully engaged before tightening the brackets. Runout is within tolerance across the bore.
Pitch interface checks complete. Ready for sign-off.
This blade is clear for transport. Sequence check complete.
Noted. We can begin loading the first tower section immediately.
Check the tension on saddle 3. Clear on this side, let's move out.
Bring it down 20 meters, easy now.
Watch the fenders.
East side alignment holding steady.
Copy that. Continuing the hoist.
Tension stable. Tension on the tag lines, easy now. We have alignment. Confirm connection, you are clear to secure.
Sequence complete on the lower right.
Confirmed. Moving to the next bolt.
Check the tension gauge now. Hold steady on the west guide. Bring it down slow.
Confirmed.
Flanges are meeting. Steady, steady. Bring her down slow.
Gap is closing. We're aligned.
Solid contact. Start the wrenches.
Control, this is Crane 1. We have the load secured.
Roger that. Proceed with the lift.
Ropes clear. Swinging starboard.
All right, bring her down easy. Watch the flange.
Copy that. Descending slowly.
We have alignment on the bolts. Bring it down 50 millimeters.
Alignment confirmed.
Torquing the bolts now.
Star pattern initiated. Torque sequence 1 complete.
Hard right. Slow the descent. Watch the wind.
Bring it left. Easy now. We have alignment. Set the bolts. Rotor assembly complete. Great work, team.
Vessel is clear of the exclusion zone. Rotational speed is stable.
Confirmed. Data logged for the handover report. Rotor smoothness is excellent at this RPM. Vibration dampening is well within tolerance.
Confirmed. The structure.
Vibration and thermals are well within limits. Confirmed. The post-test inspection is complete and approved.
This video is created for educational purpose using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitor concepts, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or refuse any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.